And somebody commented on my page, may you bury your children. I think that is serious. Why?
Ó lágbára o. Kí èèyàn pé happy birthday, ó tún di wàhálà báyìí. Ni àwọn kan wá kọ́mẹ́ǹtì sí under post ẹ̀ yìí pé may you bury your children. Kí la gbé kí la ju ẹ̀yin èèyàn. Tẹ́ bá tẹ̀ wọ́n bá Funka Akindele jà ẹ bá jà kì í ṣe pé kẹ́tù wá máa kọ́ ọmọ ẹ̀ mọ́. Gbogbo wa náà la bí a mọ̀. Àwọn èèyàn the way bí àwọn èèyàn ṣe máa ń comment ní under comment section àwọn èèyàn gbà mí in fact ó máa dàbí pé kó nítọ̀hún lọ pokùnso àbí kó nítọ̀hún ṣe rẹ̀ léṣe ni. Ẹ wá lọ gbọ́ ẹ̀kúnrẹ́rẹ́ ọ̀rọ̀ tí Funka Akindele sọ bó ṣe ṣàlàyé àti àwọn nǹkan tí ò mọ́wọ́ tí ò mẹsẹ̀ tán fi ń kàn. Ẹ̀yin náà wá lọ gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ tó sọ ní èdè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì òun ni ó fi sọ. Ẹ̀yin náà wá lọ gbọ́.
I have to do this live video because it has to do with Jumoke. May her soul rest in perfect peace. I feel so sorry. I tried. Jide can't testify. I have to go, guys. Tell me, how do they end? Tell me, how do they end this? Hello, everyone. How are you all? God bless you. God bless you. I don't usually do this. I don't even like the word. I don't usually do this, but I have to come on live because it has to do with, losing a family member. I'm surprised to see all the posts talking negative about me, saying I never cared, I don't like to give, I don't like to yes, I look stressed because I've cried. Yes, we lost someone, I've cried. And then people have said a lot of nonsense. Like you all know, I'm a very positive person. I don't explain, I don't nag, I just move on. A lot of stones has been thrown at me. I just pack the stones, and build a house with it. But over the years, it's been a lot. I'm human. I'm human. I'm human. I'm human. At first, I thought, okay, just keep quiet. Since you've reached out to the brother, you've explained, keep quiet. But I think at this junction, I need to talk. Because I just wished the CEO of MNCT Limited a happy birthday. And somebody commented on my page, may you bury your children. I think that is serious. Why? 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 What have I done wrong? What? I'm doing this because I hold my fans dear to my heart. And this social media era, you have to be careful. If you keep saying, I'm not going to talk, people will accuse you wrongly for what you did not do. You understand? People will say a lot of terrible things about you. And I'm not ready. I'm not ready because I'm so unhappy. Jumoke, the late Jumoke Aderomu, I met her years ago as an actress, gave her some roles. She featured in Jennifer's Diary. She featured in Indo Streets. And that was it. That was it. Acted her role, got paid, and left. So sometime, I can't remember, Jide Obano will remind me. So from the blues, I just messaged Jide because even after, Jennifer's Diary is on a break. And we're not working on the project. So most of the cast, we don't really see. Only once in a blue moon. So I just messaged Jide because Jide and Jumoke, they are close. They were close somehow. But I used to see them, they just share back then on set. I said, Jide, where is Jumoke da? He now go back to me say, I'll come back for sharing. Jide, you can remember when they come back that they should be calling her for jobs. And I said, where is Jumoke? They should be calling her for jobs. I said, okay, fine. Let's call her for a job. I said, okay, no problem, we'll call her for jobs. But you all know, after a tribe called you, I've not done any project. There are people like that, a lot of talents. I watch a lot of TikTok videos because I want to discover talents. It's my passion. So I just saw the post. Pascaline, Alex just reached out to me that they wrote something online. I said, oh, what is it? I just went there. Jumoke's brother was so upset. Nobody checked on Jumoke. I said, I know he's grieving. I know it's not easy to lose someone. I've lost my mom. Nobody know what I went through. I went through a lot. I was depressed losing my mom. I went through a lot. Okay, and I said, okay. So I reached out to the guy. I saw his post. I reached out. I'll put the post on my Insta story so you all can see. I said, oh, I'm so sorry you lost your sister. I feel your pain. I said, nobody told me that your sister was sick. Pascaline did not tell me anything. I said, I don't turn deaf ears to people that are in need, that are next to me. I said, I see that the road there I don't help. I do help. But I don't make noise about helping. I don't like it. I give, I hate it. I don't like talking, shouting about giving. It's bad. Giving should be done privately. The ones you see me do online, I was on TikTok because I love TikTok a lot. I love to watch it before sleeping. So I have this family that they make me happy. I laugh, you know, they cook. You know, I love people. I love the grassroots people. So I watch their content a lot. You can see that in my movies. So I reached out to them. Oh, I want to sponsor your education. I give randomly, skit makers. I see people doing stuff. Support them. What more do you want me to do? Please. I had to do this because this has to do with somebody's life. I'm so happy because personally, you don't know what I'm going through. I work hard round the clock. People will say, oh, she doesn't support her colleagues. She doesn't attend events. I live in Amen Estate, Eleko. That's where my studio is. Before I drive down to Lekki or Ikoyi for an event, they're not going to finish the event. Please. I don't beef any filmmaker. I do my thing. I face where I'm going to. The records I've been able to break is by the grace of God. Do not forget, I've got my trying moments too. During COVID, remember, my mom passed on. Remember, politics, I was backlashed. Marriage, remember. Somebody now said you will lose your children. I think that's too much. I'm here trying to relax, trying to rest, to get my life together. I sent a message to that guy, Jumoke's brother. He saw it, he didn't reply. I said, oh, I'm so sorry, I didn't hear. I don't know anything about your sister. I don't know anything. I don't go to blogs. They send different things of blogs to me. As long as my name is not being mentioned, I do my thing. I face where I'm going to. Yes, I'm strict. I'm very strict. Yes, I will not take nonsense. I'm focused. Whoever works with me that wants to go can go. Whoever wants to stay can stay. Please, I have to do this live video because it has to do with Jumoke. May her soul rest in perfect peace. I feel so sorry. I tried. Jide can't testify. I have to go, guys. Tell me, how do they end? Tell me, how do they end this thing?